I'd like to thank the members of the Filipino cooking group on Facebook and for liking our pictures there last week, and you guys inspired me to make this video. And also I'd like to thank my husband for filming me the whole process of this video. So I have my caramel ready, and what I'm gonna do is, before I transfer it here, I have a strainer right here, which is very fine. That's really perfect. Sometimes I use a cheesecloth, but I don't have it right now. So what I'm gonna do, strain it twice. Strain it again. So I'm using a 6-inch round cake pan, but if you have an oval pan, you know, that we usually use in the Philippines, you can use that. I mean, it's a 1.5 inch size. So this is my pan. Earlier, we boiled it from high, and then after it boils, the water we turn it to the low heat. And I have this is my steamer right here. But if you have that bamboo thing, that's fine. It's perfect. But right now I'm using this mini cheesecake. What do you call that?
It's just a stand.
Yes, just for the stand. And I have my steamer right here. And steam your flan for exactly 1 hour and then cover it. And then I don't cover it with foil, the mixture, because the water, you know, once it gets the water there, I mean the mixture is gonna ruin it. So what I'm gonna do is just cover this with my lid right here and then make it sure that the water is not coming down to your mixture, and I'll just open it like that, let it steam, the water drops in the pot, and then cover it again. And let's wait for
1 hour and 15 minutes.
Now it's almost done. Alright. See, it's still a little jiggly, but that's okay, that's perfect. And let it cool, completely cool, and put it in the fridge. Okay, let's find out what it's gonna looks like. Okay, but before that, I'd like you to show this plate, and I would ask you a favor that if you look it up on Facebook, please like our page. It's called MS Accent, and also we made easel there. Usually we put our menu over there, and yes, and if you live in United States, we are also selling this online. It's called MS Accent, and it's available on Etsy. Right? Okay, and also one more thing. I'd like to thank my people in Davao City, Philippines. I'd like to thank all my relatives there. Daghang salamat kaayo sa inyong tanan sa pagsuporta sa among channel. Next time, I'm going to mention all their names there to our next video. Alright? So I hope you like this video, and I hope this is very helpful, especially for all the beginners. And I hope you share this to your family and friends, and like and subscribe to our channel, and I hope to see you next time.